To get a Binance Smart Chain address, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to understand what Binance Smart Chain is. Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain platform developed by Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It allows users to create and deploy their own decentralized applications and assets. To get started, you need to download a digital wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain. Some popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Binance Chain Wallet. Once you have downloaded and installed the wallet, you need to create a new wallet account. This will generate a unique private key and public address for you. The public address is what you will use to receive funds on the Binance Smart Chain. To get your Binance Smart Chain address, go to the wallet's homepage and click on the Binance Smart Chain option. Then, click on the Receive button and copy the address displayed on the screen. This address is usually a long string of characters and numbers, and it is unique to your wallet. You can also add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet by going to the Settings page and clicking on the Add Network button. Then, enter the Binance Smart Chain network details, including the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol. After adding the network, you can switch to the Binance Smart Chain network and get your address. It is essential to keep your private key safe and secure, as it is the key to accessing your funds on the Binance Smart Chain. Never share your private key with anyone and make sure to back it up in a secure location. Also, be aware of the gas fees associated with transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, as they can vary depending on the network congestion. In conclusion, getting a Binance Smart Chain address is a straightforward process that requires a digital wallet and some basic knowledge of blockchain technology. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely create and manage your Binance Smart Chain address and start exploring the world of decentralized applications and assets.